In this question, it is given that a body weight W Newton at the surface of Earth. Its weight at a height equal to half the radius of Earth is. So our aim is to find out what about the value of acceleration due to gravity at a height h. So we can use that equation g naught divided by 1 plus h divided by r the whole square. So in this question, it is given that the value of this h is nothing but half of radius of height. That means h can be written as r divided by 2 divided by r the whole square. So this r and this r get cancelled. We can write this as g naught divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So this can be written as g naught divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 3 divided by 2 the whole square. So this can be written as g naught divided by 3 by 2 can be written as 9 divided by 4, or you can write this as 4 g naught divided by 9 is a value of acceleration due to gravity at a height h. But in question, they're asking to find out the value of weight. So weight on the surface is nothing but mass into acceleration due to gravity. So weight on the surface is m into g naught. So if you want to find out the value of weight at a height h, so we can write this as mass into acceleration due to gravity at a height h. And that is mass into acceleration due to gravity at a height h we just calculated, and that was nothing but 4 g naught divided by 9. So this can be written as nothing but m into g naught into 4 divided by 9, and m g naught is nothing but the value of weight on the surface, so this is w into 4 divided by 9.